Hi, this is Fish and welcome to Fish Picks. Today I'll be reviewing the brand new Multipick dynamic rakes designed by Locknoob. What makes them dynamic? Are they any good? Stick around to find out. Locknoob was one of the first channels I subscribed to when I started out in lock sport, and I have a lot of respect for his knowledge and expertise. In fact, it beggars the question whether a bit of rebranding might be needed at some point. Anyway, when I heard that he had collaborated with German manufacturer Multipick to design and produce two new rakes, I was excited to get hold of them to see just what they offer that my existing rakes don't. And here they are. The longer rake in this pair is the Abona, while its shorter partner is the Monith. As you'd expect from Multipick, the design and finish on these picks is beautiful. They're tumbled and quality checked, so you don't need to make any modifications, and the etching and designs on the handles are elegant and subtle. In an effort to learn a little more about the origin of the names of these rakes, I did a little research which revealed that Abona is an area in Tenerife known for its excellent vineyards, and it's also the Spanish for to pay, to fertilise or to improve, while Monith is a traditional Hindu boy's name. But this mystery was resolved following a live stream which Locknoob ran on the 24th of January entitled Master Lock Mayhem, when I was able to ask him about the names directly. So I can now say with some authority that Abona was chosen because it was the name of the original Roman settlement on which modern Bristol is built, which is where Locknoob is based, and Monith is the Celtic for mountain or hill. So it seems there were no Hindu boys involved whatsoever. I would also like to take this opportunity to say a huge thank you to everybody on that live stream, because after Ash encouraged those in attendance to sub my channel, Fish Picks leapt from 480 to over 520 subscribers in a matter of minutes, which was such a generous gesture and a really exciting moment for me. Anyway, back to the rakes. In his overview of these picks, Locknoob describes them as dynamic, in that the variance in the amplitude of the peaks and troughs of each profile allows them to interact with challenging bitting and security pins in a way that usually means that rakes are redundant. A close study of the Abona shows it to be a hybrid of the key features of the triple rake and city or L rakes, while the Monith takes its shape from the best aspects of the snake rake. They can each be used to scrub, rock and lift pins just like other rakes, but these unique profiles mean that it's possible to secure some surprising opens on locks that would normally only yield to single pin picking. This doesn't make them magic wands. Like any tool, they're only as good as the person on the other end, and raking is a skill which has to be refined over time. To begin, we might just run the pick back and forwards randomly and hope for the best, but the most successful pickers will use these kinds of tools more strategically, and particularly if they know the key bitting involved. While I've only had this pair in hand for a week, I've been really impressed with the way they perform, and I've been able to quickly open some locks such as the Squire and the Master Lock 570, which was really unexpected. They're comfortable in the hand, they feel strong but flexible, and they've now found their way into my go-to pick set, which I hope speaks to how happy I am with the investment. So there's not much more really to be said. I can heartily recommend the Abona and Monith rakes. I want to give a big shout out to Multipick and to Locknoob for making these available to the lock sport community. So until next time, thanks for watching. Please do hit the like button if you enjoyed this episode, and take good care.